Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about area of parallelogram. A parallelogram is four-sided shape that has two pairs of parallel sides. Let us name our parallelogram. I'm going to call it as A, B, C, and D. Line AB, this is equal to line DC. Line AB is parallel to line DC. Line AD is equal to line BC. Line AD is parallel to line BC. Let's go and find the area of parallelogram. Area of a parallelogram is given by base multiplied by height. For the case of our diagram, our base can be equal to a distance A, B, or distance D, C. A height of parallelogram is a perpendicular distance from one side of parallelogram to the other side. Let me call this point as point E. Our height is equal to distance AE. In short, we can say area of parallelogram is equal to base multiplied by height. For the case of our question, our base is distance DC, which is equal to 30 centimeter. Our base is equal to 30 centimeter. And our height is distance AE, which is equal to 21 centimeter. Our height is equal to 21 centimeter. Now area is equal to base, which is 30, multiplied by height, 21. We get area is equal to 630 centimeter square. I hope you understand how to find the area of parallelogram. Area of parallelogram is given by base multiplied by height. For more video concerning areas, you can check my playlist over here. Thank you very much for listening. Don't forget to subscribe, share, and comment to this video. See you next time. Bye.